That's a great idea. Let's look over there. Where's the giraffe? It's somewhere here. When you see it, wave or cheer. Grace and Danny have found the giraffe. Can you see the giraffe? Yes, there's the giraffe. It's time to sign. Ah, look. Giraffe. You sign. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
That's right, Vincent.
Giraffe.
Great signing, Sebastian. Giraffe. Oh, look. Giraffe. Grace and Danny are feeding the giraffes. They're very hungry. Wow. The giraffes like to eat leaves and branches on the trees. And look, their long necks help them to reach right to the top of the trees. So, I've got my food. Let's feed them. Can you see that they're chewing right there? Is that tasty? Wow, can you see their long tongues? They've got really long tongues. I think they're very hungry today. Wow! Well, you know what? I think it's time to have a look inside Mr. Tumble's spotty bag. Come on then, let's have a look, shall we? Whoa. I wonder what's inside. Thanks, Danny. What's this?
Hippopotamus.
It looks like a hungry hippo too. Now, where should we look for a hippopotamus? Where do you think? What about over there? Yeah, good idea. Let's look over there. Where's the hippopotamus? It's somewhere here. When you see it, wave or cheer. Well done, guys. You've found the hippopotamus. Can you see the hippopotamus? Yes, there's the hippopotamus. It's time to sign. Ah, look. Hippopotamus. You sign. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
That's right, Vincent.
Hippopotamus.
Well done, Sebastian. Ah, look. Hippopotamus. These hungry hippos are called Lola and Nina. And as a special treat, we're going to feed them their lunch today. Thank you very much. Right, now what can we see, eh? Wow! Look, there are some really big hippos. Woohoo! Should we feed them? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! High five! Woo! You gonna do some, Grace? 1, 2, 3! Woohoo! You did it! Hey, what's that noise?
Mr. Tumble Animal.
I think you're right. It's Mr. Tumble. Come on, everyone. Let's call for Mr. Tumble, shall we? Yeah? Okay, after 3. As loud as you can. And why don't you join in too? Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Tumble!
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello.
We like your pet hamster. What's its name?
Ooh, this is Harry the hamster.
What are you going to do with Harry the hamster today, Mr. Tumble?
I'm going to clean out his cage.
Is that an important job, Mr. Tumble?
Yes.
Does everyone else have an important job to do today?
Yes, look.
Grandad Tumble's polishing his trophies. Aunt Polly's doing her washing. And Lord Tumble's playing croquet.
Oh, yes, I'm playing croquet.
Don't you have an important job to do today, Lord Tumble?
Well, yes, that is my important job. Playing croquet.
You are funny, Lord Tumble.
Thank you. So are you.
How are you getting on, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, fine, thank you. Will you help me?
Yes. How can we help?
Oh, can you look after Harry the hamster while I clean out his cage?
Of course, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, thank you. Harry will be very good, won't you? Yeah. I'll put him down.
Hello, Harry. Aren't you sweet? Harry, come back. Mr. Tumble, Harry's running away.
Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, lovely. That one's for fishing.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Are you working hard, Grandad Tumble?
Phew, yes, I'm working very hard.
Are those your trophies, Grandad Tumble?
Ooh, yes. Now, these are my trophies. Now, I won this cup for whistling.
That's very good, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, now, I won this cup for singing. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer to. I'm off crazy, all for the love of you. Hey!
That's very good, Grandad Tumble. We'll let you get on with your polishing.
Righty-ho. Now then, where's my duster? Oh, yes.
No, Grandad Tumble.
What's going on?
Don't worry, Grandad Tumble.
There we are. Oh, lovely.
You carry on polishing and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I won this one for walking in a suit. Oh, there we are.
Oh, hello, Aunt Polly.
Oh, hello there. Are you looking for someone?
No, don't worry. Have you finished all your washing, Aunt Polly?
Yes, I've finished. Oh, and I'm feeling very tired.
Uh-oh. Look out, Aunt Polly. You look like you're dancing, Aunt Polly.
I'm not dancing. Something is tickling my legs.
I think we know what it was, Aunt Polly.
Oh.
We've got to go. Bye.
Bye-bye then. Funny thing.
Harry, come back. Where are you going now? Hello, Lord Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Are you working hard?
Yes, I'm playing croquet. Whew, it's hard work, you know. Right, here we go.
Wait, Lord Tumble.
Wait? Why?
Nothing, Lord Tumble. Enjoy your game. Carry on working hard.
Thank you. Right, here we go. Oh. Whoopee for me.
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Hey, oh. Hello. Why are you shouting at me?
Sorry, Mr. Tumble.
Look, I finished cleaning out Harry the hamster's cage. Woohoo!
Well done, Mr. Tumble, but we've got something to tell you.
Where's Harry?
That's what we've got to tell you. He's...
Oh, Harry!
Harry!
Now, what were you going to tell me?
Oh, don't worry, Mr. Tumble. It's okay now.
There you go, Harry. There's your new home.
Before you go, Mr. Tumble,
Yes?
can you teach us a sign of a hamster, please?
Oh, yes! Oh, look! Hamster! You sign! Hamster!
Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Harry the hamster.
Mr. Tumble is funny, isn't he? Yeah, Mr. Tumble makes Grace laugh. You're laughing, aren't you? What's so funny? I tell you what, why don't we look inside Mr. Tumble's spotty bag again, shall we? Are you going to help? Okay. Can you get that picture out? Well done. What is it?
Elephant!
That's right. Look, it's an elephant. But where should we look for the elephant?
There!
Great idea. Let's look over there. Where's the elephant? It's somewhere here. When you see it, wave or cheer. Well done, Grace. You found the elephant. Can you see the elephant? Yes, there's the elephant. It's time to sign. Ah, look. Elephant. You sign. Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
Well done, boys. Oh, look. Elephant. This elephant is called Karishma. And Lee, the zookeeper, is giving her a shower. Danny is taking a photo of her. You taking it? Let's have a look. Wow! Danny has taken a really good photo, haven't you? We can send this back to Mr. Tumble. That's right. Grace, come and have a look. Look, this is her little baby, George. Karishma and George are having a shower. Woo! I'm going to go and have a look. You stay here, you two. That's it. Be very quiet.
Okay.
Can I have a go, Lee? Ah, thanks. You know what? It's time to go. But what should we send back to Mr. Tumble?
Justin, a photo!
Hi, guys. Hey, have you got the camera? Let me have a look. Come here, Grace, have a look. Oh, yes, that's a good one. Look at that. Thank you, Danny. Well, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, Danny.
Goodbye, Justin.
Oh, and goodbye to Grace.
Bye, Justin.
Bye. See you soon. Take care. Right then. Okay, it's time to send the spotty bag back to Mr. Tumble. Are you ready? Take your finger and touch your nose. Blink 3 times, and off it goes. Aha! My spotty bag, thank you!
Look inside, Mr. Tumble. There's a present for you.
Wow, it's a photograph for me. Look, it's an elephant.
Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye!
There we go. Right. I'm making a house